Okay, so if you need to reprogram your tire pressure sensors, your TPMS, Chevy, GMC, you will need a special tool to program it. It's this tool here. The way to get in program mode, after your screen is on that, you want to push and hold that check mark. Your horn will chirp and it'll say tire learning active. Now there is a special pattern you need to go through. The lights will light up on the truck. Like this one here is the front and driver's side. We'll do first. As you see, the driver's side light is lit. Passenger side's not, and the back are not either. So find the light that's lit up, driver's side. You want to get your tool, hold it against the sidewall of the tire near your valve stem. All right, that one's programmed. Lights off. Passenger side light is now on. All right. We're gonna go to the back. You see passenger side is lit. We're gonna do the passenger side. Now we're going to do the driver's side. All right, so after you're programmed, your horn will chirp saying complete. So now if you look at your gauge, it will be reading your tire pressures. So that's how to program your TPMS on the Chevy and GMC trucks. Thanks for watching.